Yesterday, guys, the pound was very choppy, hitting both the sides simultaneously, meaning that it was pure choppiness, guys. So the question is, what are we going to do today in the OA analysis? I'm going to keep it fast. I'm going to keep it short, guys. As pound is volatile, we'll just mark 1.35035, guys, as support, and as long as, guys, we are below this, above the support, we are bullish. The first target is 1.35446, and guys, our next target is 1.35751. And guys, if the price breaks below 1.35035, guys, we will be going for 1.34760. Wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair. And there's nothing left, and see you guys tomorrow.